you can just move around here like this, or you can just change like that. Or what you can do is inside of the working scene, you can take the location of what you want, for example like this, let's say, and then select the main camera, press Ctrl Shift F, and now you see that the view itself has changed it to same as mine. Control Shift F. And then to make the better recordings, so let's go to the package manager. Is you can find it in the window and package manager over here. Click it, you will have this panel. Click here, just here, packages, select Unity Registry. And if you write down the recording, you will see recorder over here, and just install it. So now you can recording your play view. You don't need to use your own screen capture. So window, go to general, you will see recorder, recorder window. Again, now you will see this panel over here. I'm going to just attach over here. And then change your game view. So now it says pre-aspect, but I'd like to have full HD. So now you will see kind of full HD view over here. And then here inside of the recorder, you will see add the recorder, and you will see animation clip, movie, image sequence. Well, image sequence is actually, it is saving the image sequence, as you can see, JPEG or PNG, and the source is going to be the game view, and let's say full HD. Of course, file name, you can take whatever you want, and this is the name, location of the folder. Recording mode, single frame is only going to recording the first frame. For example, 0 means first in the scripting world, so you can select the 0. So if I just press the start recording right now, it automatically start the the play mode, and then it just saved the first scene. So if I go back to our folder, project folder, DRL boys, and you will see there's a folder with the recording, and now it recorded first scene, right? Well, captured, let's say. And or let's add another recorder, which is movie, and then here again, same, like full HD and the high resolution, H.264 is totally fine. To organize your file, is better to have the date always. And then I'd like to bring them at the beginning inside of the output. So now we can see that the date and movie is going to be always movie, and take is a take 1, take 2, take 3, something like that. And that's it. And you can change the target FPS. 30 is I think usually fine. And this time again, manual, you have to select the manual. If you just do the single frame, it's going to record 0.01 seconds, something like that. So go to the manual, or actually you can give the frame interval. But I think usually I think it's better to have the manual. So start recording. It again, it automatically start, go to the play mode, and it's going to record. Just stop it. It is done with the recordings. Okay, the reason why I have this one a lot is because I enabled image sequence. So if you don't want it, just tick this one. This is just disabled. And now you will see anyway movies. If you want to change the background, go to the main camera, and then inside of the inspector, there is a clear flag. And now you can select the solid color, and then select the color of the background. The background has been already changed.